Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the source QR and ensuring Alight Motion is ready. Open the app and give storage and camera permissions so imports work instantly. Import the QR image or vector. Use high contrast and at least 300 pixels on the smallest side so scanning and edge detection succeed. Once done, create a new composition sized to your output ratio. Set 30-60 FPS depending on motion smoothness desired. Save a copy so you can revert without losing original assets. Now you animate the QR while preserving scannability. Put the QR on its own layer and avoid heavy blur or non-uniform distortions that break codes. Use keyframes to animate position, scale, rotation, and opacity. Ease in slash-out to keep motion natural. If you need reveals or augmented effects, pre-compose or use masks so modifications don't alter core modules. Once moved, test at native size and simulate camera distance. Make adjustments to keep modules clear and contrast above rough. Finish by exporting in a format that preserves QR integrity. 264/MP4 is fine for most, but use a PNG sequence when you need lossless frames. Test the exported file by scanning on multiple devices and at different distances. This confirms real-world usability. If the code fails to scan, check contrast first, then remove heavy blurs or nonlinear warps, and revert to the isolated QR layer. A quick troubleshooting tip. If scans fail, export a single frame at native size and confirm that frame scans before re-rendering the full clip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.